working on this painting here, but I'm not sure what I'm doing with it. I've already screwed it up twice. Will there be a third time? What do I do with this painting? What do I do today? So guys, in this particular painting, I don't know where I'm going with this. So you're just gonna watch me live, and I'm gonna go ahead and try to pick a color. So sometimes I look in here for the colors that I have used in the past. And I kind of echo it over here maybe. I divided this canvas in half. I did a wash of white and added some blue. This is what I did beforehand. But I kept this side, but I don't know what I'm going to do. Might just end up painting over the whole thing. Or I'm going to just add to it and see what happens. There's the color I'm using. It's that skin tone, pale pink. Alright, let's go ahead and see what we can do with this. Oh, I don't know what to do. Let me go ahead and draw a nose. Even sometimes I get lost in these paintings. There we go, just add a little nose. Let's put an eyeball right here. Put a nose or ears on them. Thicken up some of these lines. That's taking shape. Let's bring some of this skin tone into this eyeball here. Let's go with the dark blue. Yes. Put some blue over here. Alright, let's add some white in here. I got some white on my palette. I want to make this a little whiter. So there's always ways to turn something that you think is crappy into something good. You just gotta keep working at it. Some white up in here. Hey guys, well that turned out pretty cool, I think. So there you have it. It's more like a Picasso kind of face. It's kind of crazy and unique. So thanks for watching again, and I'll see you again next time on Live Painting with RAEART.